Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this card making paper crafting tutorial. Today we're making this lovely thank you card for a special friend, and you can see here I've used a combination of die cutting and stamping to create this card, and we've actually stamped on pattern paper, which is something we don't often do, but it works really well and can be so effective. So that's what we're doing today. Now this card is berry burst, and the paper here is the Full of Life designer series paper. We're still going to use the same designer series paper, but we're going to do a different colorway, and then we're going to be using Pretty Peacock. So let's open that up, and the stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Friends for Life, and we're doing thank you for being a friend. Okay, so I've got the first bit set up here in my stamp apparatus. We're just going to ink up using our Pretty Peacock, and just push that down. There we go, lovely. So remove that, and then I'm going to give everything a little clean up so I can put it away. Take these out. I'm going to put them back in their little home before they go missing. I'm going to take out the friend, and I've got a piece here, just a scrap here of basic white cardstock, and I'm just going to stamp the friend also in Pretty Peacock. And we're going to die cut this out, so it doesn't matter if it's not straight or anything like that. We'll give it a really good ink up. I just can see, bring my paper down a bit further. There we go. Lovely. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the friend out here using the matching die, and I'll be back. Okay, so everything is die cut, so let's start to assemble our card. So our card base here is Pretty Peacock. So it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of basic white cardstock that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And I'm just going to put this on the inside for our insert. So just going to use some Tombow glue and put that on the inside like that. And then for the outside here I've got another piece of basic white, same measurement, and then I've got a piece of the Pretty Peacock designer series paper. Now you could use either pattern. I think I'm going to use the floral pattern, and this just measures 9.5 by 13.85 centimeters. But all the measurements for this project will be on the blog post on my website, and you can find the links to that in the description box below. So now let's stick this to the front of our card. And I just love the white, just makes everything pop, I think. And let's take our piece here that we stamped on, and I'm going to also pop this up on another piece of white cardstock, and then we're going to glue this down as well. Now you could pop this up on some foam adhesive sheet, but I'm just going to keep everything flat today. I love how that all pops, and I've just noticed something quickly before it dries. I've got it upside down. There we go. Glad I noticed that before it dried. Check everything is the right way this time. Phew! Okay, so now we've got our friend. We're going to put that there. So I'm just going to use my tweezers here to hold this if I can find them. Here they are. These are just some reverse tweezers, and I find they're really helpful things like this. And we just want to put a little amount of glue down as possible. We do want some though. Come on, glue, behave. I always find just giving it a bit of a shake helps to encourage it to come out. A bit like trying to get the last bit of ketchup out of a bottle. And we're just going to put that down there. Lovely. And then I did cut out from the same die set some little hearts from this pattern paper in the background here. And you can see here. And I can just put one here. I think these I might pop up on some dimensionals. So let's put this one up here. I think that looks cute. Actually, I don't think I'm going to put any more hearts on. I think I'm just going to leave it at one and put some rhinestones instead. Good old rhinestones, one of my favourite embellishments. Simple and elegant. There we go. So there are our two cards. You have Berry Burst and you have Pretty Peacock. Let me know which version you prefer in the comments below. I love to read your comments. As I said, any information you want will be listed and linked in the description box below. If you did like this video, I would appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. So thank you again for joining me today for the simple paper crafting tutorial, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!